Looking outside this afternoon, we've seen more clouds than sunshine to kick off another work week. Right now in Edinburgh, looks like some filtered sun out there. We've seen a little bit of streamer shower activity over in the lower valley. Most of us have stayed dry though. Looking across the state of Texas, it's all about the temperature trend this week. In the north, in the Panhandle, 30s and 40s. Rest of us here in the state are quite warm. Here in the valley, 84 degrees out in McAllen, 80 in Harlingen, 82 in Weslaco, the same for Edinburgh, and just shy of it in Brownsville, checking in at 79. Southeast winds continue between about 10 and 20 miles per hour, really bringing in that Gulf moisture and just enough moisture to give us that slight threat for a brief shower. We're looking at a stationary front just north of us, southerly winds to the south of it, and this air mass setup allows for just a lot of moisture continue to be pulled from the Gulf of Mexico inland, so rain chances will remain with us really for the rest of the week. Now just a 20% chance tomorrow and Wednesday, pretty similar to today, but on Thursday another front is going to get here and increase our rain chances just a bit. Scattered showers looking a little more likely Thursday afternoon and Thursday night, and maybe a brief thunderstorm or two, that's also possible, and then a little bit of leftover activity possible there on Friday. Tonight's forecast, 67 degrees. We will have the chance for some patchy dense fog developing after midnight. Otherwise, the weather staying mild and muggy. Tomorrow, after that fog dissipates, we're right back in the 80s. Mostly cloudy at times. Intervals of sun certainly possible. A tiny chance of rain, again, though most of us will stay dry. Across the nation, this colder air has dove down to the Central Plains, 67 in Dallas, 5 above zero in Omaha, Nebraska, and even 0 up in Minneapolis. So with that colder air is traveling southward. Our confidence has increased just a little bit for the weekend forecast in terms of it trending colder for Valentine's Day. At this point, it looks generally cloudy. I don't see much hope for some sunshine this weekend. And it's also going to be quite breezy, and with temperatures falling, wind chills could certainly become a factor as well. So with what we're looking at with this Arctic air, it's going to reach North Texas and really the whole state of Texas Friday, and then the RGV catches it on Saturday, and that's going to mean significantly colder temperatures by Sunday, and there is at least a very low chance that we could maybe see a little bit of light freezing drizzle in a few spots Sunday night and into Monday. That's something that we would watch pretty closely. Any winter weather threats around here certainly will need to be watched. Overall, though, it's just all about the warmth today, tomorrow, and on Thursday. We're looking at scattered showers, a little more possible there in the 80s. And then Friday, we start to trend cooler, 64 degrees, not too bad. And then Saturday, it gets a little bit colder, 59 degrees. And then Sunday, that's when sort of the bottom falls out, proverbially speaking, 49 degrees for the high. And then we stay in the 40s Monday of next week with temperatures Sunday night, Sydney, into Monday, near freezing.